I'm having such a bad day today. Never mind, it's way better now. I want to know if this is an Audi problem, because every time you kidding me? You saw the last video? That thing be crazy. Like, I just wasted $25, bro. I just wasted $25 watching that car. And it's about how I can afford my car. So this is about to be interesting. By the way, guys, we've been smashing it with a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe down below, so you become part of the family. Some comment people have left in my previous videos, and they're gonna be all right here for a minute. Thank you all for commenting on my videos, for the support. I appreciate it. You guys tuning in and everything. Thank you so much. Listen, this car is so loud. Sometimes it's stupid loud. Like, you will find me in some of my videos, I'm like, damn, this is loud. And trust me, I'm like inside the car. I'm not like on the back of my car. That's crazy sometimes. It is crazy sometimes. But listen, buying a car, a 10K to like 45K car is not the easier thing to do. You know, most people won't even qualify for it. So if you are in the US, I'm talking about for the people in the US, if you somewhere else, I don't know how different it is. I know it's hard. You know, most people don't even get paid like more than 30K a year. So, you know, buying a 30K car is pretty hard, if you ask me. It takes a lot of effort. You know, it's not easy to like pay. Like in my case, I paid $320 for my car alone. That's not my insurance. My insurance is way higher, just because I'm younger, and yeah. But my insurance is way higher, $150 more. So it's about $450. So I paid, remind you, I paid $320 for my car. What is that? That was my alarm. I paid $320 for my car, and then $450 for my insurance. So, you know, insurance really kills me. But, you know, in my opinion, it's like really worth it. You know, just because I don't have kids right now. It depends on what goals you have in life. That's how you go about buying a car. But for me, I wanted this car. You know, this is kind of like a dream of mine, that I can afford this car. So yeah, it was pretty cool when I got it. You know, so I definitely had to climb up, especially at work. You know, I got really lucky. Luckier than some people, so I'm thankful for that. This video to be boring, I'm gonna keep this video short. But yeah, that was just a quick reminder of, like, you know, how you can do it. Well, I didn't tell you specifically on how you can do it. You know, everybody's different. Everybody got different goals. But I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you have the same goal. You want to buy yourself a car, a nice car, nicer car, like, I don't know what you want exactly, but listen, just work hard. Just there's opportunity. There's always opportunity. So if you miss one, don't worry. There's one more is gonna come. So just make sure you are prepared for the next opportunity. You know what? And remind you, basically, I didn't buy this car cash. No, I financed it all. If you guys, I made a video of how much I paid for this car. I paid $1,850. They got a good deal for it. I know guys. I know if you guys look for this S3, you can find it like in the 18s, low 17s. Thank you for the new people that have been subscribing to the channel. It's been crazy. You guys been subscribing like crazy. Little pool right there. But thank you guys so much for watching. This was a quick video, short video. But yeah, if you guys want to go more in detail of how much I earn and everything like that, how much I get paid, I guess, I'll definitely make a video. If you guys comment down below, just make sure you comment, leave your comment, subscribe, like this video, and yeah, peace out guys.